Welcome to a new session of mental reprogramming at the Feminization Clinic. My libido grows. My libido is valid. My libido is real. I can feel my libido growing. My libido is present. My libido manifests within me. My libido is a powerful energy that I manifest. My libido returns to my body and mind. I can feel my libido returning to me. My libido floats me like a rising tide. My libido is growing. My libido increases. My libido strengthens day after day. My mind relaxes into feelings of desire.
My inner vitality becomes richer each day. I feel alive with sexual energy. My libido continues growing within me. I feel waves of desire moving through me. My body welcomes the energy of pleasure. My awareness fills with feminine vitality. My mind supports passionate energy. My senses awaken to desire. My libido becomes stronger every night.
The Feminization Clinic.
I feel sexual warmth expanding through my body. My inner fire shines more brightly.
These messages reframe how I perceive my sissification, the trance themselves into my mind, directing my every These ideas restructure my emotions. nurturing yourself with my libido. The affirmations plant my libido within me. Conform to the instructions given to me. Words by sexual subconscious, guiding my the words I hear establish feminization, directing my actions, efforts, developing
My body embraces vibrant sexual energy.
You're lovely to play with. I want to feel like a woman.
My awareness fills with sexual love.
I am working in harmony with these changes. I am focused on bringing these changes to life. I am energy toward these changes. I am guiding these I am strengthening my determination for these changes. I am aligning my being with these changes. I am determined to the feminization clinic. I am yourself in this mind mirror. My libido grows naturally within me. A powerful feminine warmth fills my body. My senses awaken to passion. My libido strengthens gently and steadily. My body becomes more receptive to pleasure. My awareness welcomes waves of sexual energy. My feminine vitality becomes brighter. My libido flows naturally through me. A strong sexual rhythm lives within me. My body celebrates vibrant desire. My mind encourages the growth of pleasure. My libido expands like a rising tide.